Hello and welcome to this video in the series of user guides for KiwiRail's Permits and TARs portal. This video is going to go over filling out and submitting the track access request form. Now I'm here on my track access request dashboard and I'm just going to show you what happens if I click apply for track access request. Now due to the nature of third-party track access, a permit to enter is required for all third parties accessing the corridor. Therefore, you cannot apply for a regular track access request just by clicking the Apply for a TAR button. What you have to do is come into your Permits dashboard and apply for the TAR through an existing approved permit to enter. I have an approved permit here, so I'm going to click on the permit record to open that up. When the permit summary page opens, I'm going to scroll down and click here, Create New TAR. Clicking Create TAR is going to open the form for me, and you can see here that certain details such as the permit to enter number and SWO number have been pre-populated. Now I'm going to come back to my track access request dashboard and show you a draft form that I've already filled out. I can enter the record by clicking on the time and date here. Now this is a track access request that I've already filled out for the purposes of this demo. You can see here I've got a description of the works. It's important to be as specific as you can in this section because it will allow our protection planner to make a more accurate assessment of what protection level is required for your works. The next section here is the location section. You can see here I've put the region and the line. These details can be found on your permit to enter along with the location and kilometrage. If you are unsure of the location and kilometrage because you have a nationwide or generic permit, you can find the kilometrage on a third-party app called Mobile Road. If access is required for your works at several locations, you can select Yes and add locations by clicking this button. If you can, please also provide details of the nearest street address or the place where you will be gaining access to the rail corridor. The more details you can provide about the location, the better. The next section is the dates and times section. The permit start and permit end date will be pre-populated from your permit to enter. The requested start and end date are the dates that you are requesting to work on site. You can see here that my requested dates are actually outside of the dates of my permit. So I'm going to come in here and edit those quickly. I'm going to come to April and select dates that are within the range that I want to complete the work on. The requested start times down here will not be pre-populated, but are restricted by the times that are on your permit to enter. So please make sure to enter times that are within your issued permit. These next sections here are non-compulsory, but if you do have these details or want to give us extra details, we highly encourage you to do so, especially in regards to plant machinery. What plant machinery you have on site will impact what level of protection is required for your works, and the more information you can provide up front, the better. Finally, we come to the work party details section. These are the details of the supervisor and the people who will be on site on the day. First, we ask for the supervisor name and phone number. These contact details will be used by the RPO in the run-up to the works and on the day to ensure that clear communication is established. We also ask that you attach the work party details of your work crew. These details must include their names, their KLE competency numbers, and what competencies they've completed. Finally, if you require a permit to dig, you can attach it here, or any other documents that you might require as part of the access process. At the bottom, there is a box here for extenuating circumstances where you can provide additional information if you see fit. Before we can submit, we have to tick the acknowledgement and accept the conditions. Once it is complete, click Submit, and that will submit your TAR application. Once the TAR has been submitted, the system will return you to your track access request dashboard.